twins, welcome back to the channel. It's Rhonda here, and I wanted to come on and tell you about a quick little video that I put together for you, and I hope you'll enjoy it. I did some decorating over at my mom's house. She lives in a senior community, and we wanted to get a few little things. My mama has always gone big or gone home when it came to Christmas. She loved Christmas. She went all out for us. We used to have so many gifts. Oh, she just loves Christmas. So it was time for us to get decorating over there. And what I'm happy and excited to tell you is that this was a total no spend video for me. So I love to go shopping. Don't get me wrong. You know that I do. But if I'm honest, I have to tell you that the things that I'm most proud of are things that I put together, and I use what I have. Don't spend any money. So I hope you'll enjoy that video. It's gonna be like I'm gonna show you like the before, just a bunch of random stuff, and then I'll show you what I put together. And you leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. And also, friends, if you haven't seen this video of my kitchen island, then I want to ask you to go and check it out. Forgive me for the lighting, but I want to ask you to go and check that video out. I'm going to leave it linked down in the description box below, and I also have my family room Christmas video up for your viewing pleasure, and I'll leave it in the description box too. Friends, you always make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching. Hi friends of the twins, it's me Rhonda, and today I am over here at my mom's house, and we are getting ready to decorate for the holidays. And what I'm going to be sharing today is I'm going to show you how I turned all of these random things into something beautiful for her decor over here. And what you're looking at is just things that I had actually stored up in the attic, wreaths that I made years ago, and I'm just going to kind of go through them and use different parts of them and try to come up with something, you know, something beautiful for her. Like, see, I have this one with all this different mesh and ribbons, and I have tinsels, and over here I just have a box full of random things. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do, and that's how I like to do things. I'll pull things out, and sometimes it gives me inspiration just looking at it. And for a girl like me, I always like to have options. So I probably brought over here to my mom's, I brought more than what I'm actually gonna need. But once again, this girl likes to have options. And look at these beautiful nutcrackers here. So I'm not going to show you the process of me actually putting it together. I'm not really sure anyone would, you know, just want to sit and watch me make wreaths. But I did just want to show you kind of the before. And I'll be back shortly through camera magic, and we'll show you the after. And here you have it, friends. This is what I came up with. And my mama, she was happy with it. So if mama's happy, I'm happy. Because if she didn't like it, she would have told me. But it's amazing how you can shop your home, or in my case, shop your attic, and find things that you had long forgotten. Bring them out, revamp them, and keep some of your coins in your pocket. Prime example is these toy soldiers. Now, these are made out of wood, and I can remember buying these over 10 years ago at a yard sale, and I paid $10 for the set. And like I said earlier, friends, Mom loves Christmas. We would have so many gifts. She would have nuts and fruits. But don't get me wrong, she made sure that we knew the reason for the season also. And I'm talking about, we had church on Sunday, Bible study on Wednesday, choir rehearsal on Saturday, and then there was summer revival for 5 days every year in the month of August. Oops, sorry y'all, I'm getting off on a rant. But friends, I say all of this to say, it sure did feel good to go over and be able to do this for her. Happy holidays.